Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama Honda Jazz Auto Review Pakalam. First Nama engine and transmission Pathi Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a 1.2 IVTEC petrol. Engine displacement 1199 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol. Max power output Pathing and around 88.50 bhp at 6000 rpm. Emission norm Pathing and a BS6. Max torque 110 Nm at 4800 rpm. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic. Gearbox 5-speed. Curb. Weight Pathing and a 1042 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathi Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 16.6 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathi Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut coil spring. Suspension rear torsion beam axle, coil spring. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electric. Minimum turning radius 5.1. Tire size 175/65 R15. Alloy wheel size R15. Tire type Pathing and a tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathi Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 354 liters. Fuel capacity 40 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathi Pakalam. Petrol variant Pathing and a around 7.55 rupees lakh. VX variant Pathing and a around 8.24 rupees lakh. ZX 8.88 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.